Move back, move back, move back.
Guys,
Please move back. Please. Move back.
थोड़ा पीछे, one step back.
पीछे क्लियर सर, पीछे क्लियर सर।
लुक गया. वामी का इधर.
we'll take na.
अंदर है ना?
वो सत्यादा अरे हाँ वामिका मैडम को सेंटर में
So, if we have the honor and pleasure of all the stars arriving, do we? Let us go ahead and launch Senco Gold and Diamonds 6th store here in Mumbai. You also have Mr. Dhaval and Mr. Ajit at Senco Gold and Diamonds. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, 2, 1. In your mixing noise for Ravi and Senco Gold and Diamonds being launched in Mumbai. These guys in Mumbai.
थोड़ा पीछे एक तक खींचो बस ज़्यादा नहीं आइए सर अभी आइए साथ में आइए सब लोग साथ में बैठ कैमरे में चलो आपको सोलो हमने सिंगल सोलो आपका सोलो मैडम को हटाया उनका जी एकदम सामने ओके थैंक यू चलो थैंक यू ओके कौन है आगे ऊपर 1 मिनट वामिका जी
वामी का सेंटर लो.
बाउंसर्स के लिए अपना हम बाउंसर्स के लिए
वामी का जी. इधर ये सेंटर.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, firstly I request Mr. Abjeet and Mr. Dhaval to please come forward and present the bouquet to Vamika.
फूलों ने केक काट थैंक यू
And we also have a beautiful and elegant cake right in front of us. We would request Vamika to please go forward and cut the cake. We also request Mr. Abjeet and Mr. Dhaval to be a part of this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, once again, the 6th store of Senco Gold and Diamonds launching in Mumbai in none other than the beloved Star City Mall. Can we all make some noise? And Vamika, thank you so much for being a part of this grandeur of this beautiful store that has launched over here.
थैंक यू
I request all three of you to please take a seat.
टेबल हटा दो।
टेबल हटा दो।
Alright, for the Senko Gold and Diamonds store launch, and we want to avoid any kind of push for the proper photos to happen. Alright, so a lot has been spoken so far, and Vamika hasn't spoken a word yet. So I really want to give Vamika the opportunity to tell us to be a part of the 6th store launch for Senko Gold and Diamonds.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm really happy to be here. It's a beautiful store, beautiful designs, and the craftsmanship is amazing. The detailing. I'm really happy that I'm launching a store like this. Sorry? Some few options, and I couldn't figure out which one to wear. But this was the costume, and this just went so well with the whole costume, and I just love this piece. It's so unique. There's so much detailing in this, and I'm so glad I got to wear the jewelry.
It's unique and elegant, exactly like you. You resonate everything that Senko Gold and Diamonds stands for. Open for media Q&A. If you have a question, please put your hand up, go ahead and ask it. We are in an intimate gathering, and I believe that we might not be needing mics to pass on for the media Q&A.
Young generation looks out for the extraordinary beauty and grace. Now tell me, how does the association with Senko blend with you, and what are your favorite jewelry?
I think the best part about Senko is that it is traditional, but it blends so well with modern style. And I think I am that. मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मैं जब भी मैं शूट कर रही थी ना, तो मेरी एक दादी थी जो फैमिली में, तो ऐसे हम शूट कर रहे थे, उन्होंने बोला कि कुड़िया तू ना अपनी उम्र तो बड़ी है. So I've heard that so much that like मैं अपनी उम्र से थोड़ी बड़ी बातें करती हूँ, तो I always felt like कि this young generation, why don't I know all these things? But I think जैसे जैसे वक्त बीतता गया, I understood how beautiful it is to be a blend of traditional and modern, and I think Senko represents that really well, and that's why I was like, yes, I would love to be part of Senko.
The way you put yourself together, it seems like you're more of a statement piece. So you would like to,
Yes.
rather than having
Yeah.
a couple of things, I think you blend yourself very beautifully with the jewelry that you got.
Thank you for noticing. Yeah, I generally like my clothes to be simple, as in not a lot of things on the clothes, but I love to wear like experimental jewelry and do something with jewelry. Like I love jewelry, so clothes में ज़्यादा simple रखती हूँ so that I can experiment more with my jewelry.
So diamond or gold?
I know diamonds are girls' best friends, but I love gold. I think it's gold is something that I don't know resonates with me. I just feel like when you wear all gold, you just look. I feel more expensive in gold than diamond. I don't know why. Maybe I've always seen my family, my mom, my chachi, everybody wear gold, and diamond was always this more expensive, and that it was always special to bring like a diamond in the house. But I think because of my upbringing, I just resonate more with gold. But who doesn't love diamonds?
So my next question is to the Senko team, Vamika. What is the choice?
Right. So first of all, thank you so much. Thank you all for being here.